everyone, how are you going? Today we're going to do something completely different from this channel. I know that this is a nail channel, but I've been a little bit excited lately. I've ordered a sample pack from a product called Adorn Cosmetics, and I'm really excited about it because it's an Australian product. They're cruelty free, they're vegan. Sorry, that's my dog going nuts. You know, there's no nasty chemicals, there's nothing horrible in them. They're, you know, mineral-based products, and they're just, you know, I just really like the sound of the company. So I ordered their sample pack, which has arrived, as you can see. It's in a nice Australia Post parcel pack. So I'm just going to open this up and have a look. So I was very excited about this because I like the way what they do is they send you, or you can order a sample pack in your skin tone. So I think it's light, medium, or tan. And then you can try out the products, which is nice because then it means that you're not buying, you know, a large bottle of something that you, it might end up in the wrong colour for you. So just ahead, you know, I do apologise for the state of my nails. We are actually in the middle of moving house. So I was very excited when this arrived because it's given me something else to do other than the packed boxes. So it's all very exciting. As you can see, it's beautifully packaged. Yeah, it's very well protected. Yeah, beautifully done. And this is the box itself. Adorn Cosmetics, all very exciting. Okay, oh yep, and then you've got here, you can see that I got it in the light sampler box. Just open this. If I can, sorry, my hands are a bit slippery. As I said, we're in the middle of moving, so everything's a bit of a pickle at the moment. So what have we got here? We've got Adorners, movement of ethically conscious people making the world a more beautiful place, one lipstick at a time. How gorgeous is that? So as you can see, it's not tested on animals, it's toxic free. They have refills available, Australian made and owned, gluten free, allergy certified, vegan, and palm oil free certified as well. So this is a little card that comes with it. This is Bryony. I've been watching some of her videos on YouTube. Really helpful, really informative. Luxury without the guilt for the ethically conscious, devoted to healthier lifestyle. You don't want to compromise on quality, style, or luxury. Ethical, guilt-free beauty that doesn't harm people, animals, or the environment. Sounds good to me. And then this is all the free from. So free from animal ingredients, parabens, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, silicon, gluten, synthetic fragrance, talc, bismuth oxychloride, sulfates, FD&C, and palm oil. So it's all very exciting. Woo. Okay, so we've got two brushes in here. Oh, this is our kabuki brush. Oh, love a kabuki brush. Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, really dense but really soft bristles. And then you've got the colour indicator on here, which is it's giving you an indication of when it's time to give it a wash. And then there we go, you've got that other brush. This knitting keeps them very nice and secure. Oh, they feel beautiful. Oh, just gorgeous. Beautiful feeling brushes. Okay, so here's our little sampler. I'm thinking that's for the lipstick. Alright, luxury without the guilt. There we go. So good things come in small packages. Loose minerals. Okay, so that's telling you what to do. Dispense your loose mineral sample minis with the enclosed spatula onto a tissue. Okay. Oh wow. So we've got what, 21 little sample pots in here. Oh wow, okay, so we've got a mineral bronzer in the colour Winter. Let's have a look at this. Oh wow, well, that's a great colour. I mean, these are little pots, but I mean, you know, these are going to go a long way. All these little powders are going to go, probably last for ages. What's this? Oh, concealer, corrective concealer. Oh, Peachy Sleep. Now I've seen lots of videos on this one. I could do with a bit of that at the moment. I've got some serious bags under my eyes, so that will be good. I'm looking forward to trying that. Oh, primer moisturizer. We've got our mineral bronzer in the colour Autumn. Oh, pretty. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so this is the hydrating cream we've got in the shade Light. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to be either fair or light. Don't know, possibly light medium. I'm pretty pasty, so loose foundation fair. Okay, and of course we are also in the middle of winter at the moment as well. So I'm looking particularly pale. So the bronzers and a bit of colour is going to be nice. Ooh, eyeshadow, orange. Oh, nice. And the other thing I've noticed a lot of in Bryony's videos, a lot of these powders are multi-purpose as well. So, you know, it might say that it's an eyeshadow, but it could also be used as a blush, or, you know, they're multi-purpose as well, which is nice. And this is the light medium and the hydrating cream. Oh, gorgeous. Can't wait to try these. We've got light in the loose foundation. Oh, these look great. And I've actually never used a cream foundation, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. I have used the loose powder before, and I've used the liquids, but not the creams. Well, this is eyeshadow in the colour Topaz. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I'm going to use that a lot. That's lovely. This is the BB cream in the shade Light. Nice. And we've got light medium in the loose foundation. Perfect. I reckon these little samplers are going to last a fair while. So that is very exciting. We've got light in the liquid foundation. Okay. Ooh, nice. This looks so creamy and just, yeah, I'll do an application in a different video, but they just look beautiful. So this is the loose mineral in the medium olive. This is probably the colour that I wish I would be, but it's probably going to be too dark for me. But it's beautiful. Loose blush in the colour Spring Loose Blush Cherried Mini. Okay, so a bit of blusher for this one. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's a lovely colour. Would make a nice little eyeshadow as well, I reckon. Here we've got liquid foundation in the light medium. So maybe in the summer months I might be a bit more that colour, light medium. But I love the fact that you've got, you know, several different colours in both the loose and the liquid foundation. It's fantastic. And the cream as well. You've got medium tan. Oh, wouldn't it nice to be that colour? Oh, beautiful. Sorry, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog pacing around. She's a little bit stressy at the moment because, as I said, we are moving. So there's boxes and just stuff everywhere in this house. Oh, this is a mineral blush in winter. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. We've got, ooh, setting powder. Oh, very nice. On properly, not quite. Don't want to spill this all over my table. That would not be good. And we've got loose mineral highlighter. I've not tried a mineral highlighter before, so I'm excited to give that a try. Oh, look at the shimmer on that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. That's beautiful. Oh, lovely. And lucky last one, we have mineral blush in Coral Radiance. Oh, look at that. Oh, these colours are amazing. This sample pack is so exciting. I can't wait to try these. These brushes, honestly, I cannot tell you how beautiful these are. Oh, my hands, they just feel divine. Oh, gorgeous. Anyway, so that is the unboxing of the Adorn sampler pack. Oh, I forgot, there's one. Oh, there's two spatulas in here as well. So these, I believe, are for the cream products. So for the cream foundations, you could probably actually use them to scoop out some of the powders as well. And then I've got like a little spatula here as well. So there you go, that's everything that came in the pack. I'm super excited to give these a try. And yeah, lovely. I'm going to check out lots of videos on YouTube because Bryony has done lots, and I'm going to check those out. And I'll come back and let you know how I got on with everything. Hope everyone is well. I hope you're all keeping safe. Take care, and I'll see you soon.